Hey, today I'm going to show you how to use the Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with both Ring Stick-Up Cam and Ring Indoor Cam. Here's what comes in the box. Sticker pack, grass, Cam Masker. First thing we're going to do is hide the blue LED light by applying one of these stickers. You can use as many as you like. One's sufficient, but two will definitely do the trick. Just like that. On the Ring Stick-Up Cam, this is the microphone and this is the light sensor. Don't put the sticker there. Make sure to put it on the blue LED light. Otherwise, your camera won't know if it's night or day. On the Ring Indoor Cam, this is the light sensor and this is the blue LED light. Put the sticker over the blue LED light. Next, you just slide the camera into the Cam Masker. This side is for the Ring Stick-Up Cam. The other side is for the Ring Indoor Cam. You want to make sure that the base is straight so that it slides in effortlessly. And then conceal the camera. Same process for the Ring Indoor Cam. Just use the other side. Put it through the groove and not the middle because it won't hold. But as you can see, it fits like a glove. And there you have it. That's how you set up your Cam Masker for Ring. Thanks for watching.